Cardinal Financial. Hope everybody's doing well. Today we're going to talk about documentation needed to get a loan. This is going to be basic documentation kind of across the board that you want to pay attention to and always have at the ready when you're looking to buy a home or at least get pre-approved for a home loan. We'll start with income, right? We want to prove your income, so what we use to prove your income is we look at your tax returns. That'll be the 1040. It's typically 2 pages, kind of breaks down your income. Next, we're going to look at the W-2s, and we're going to get those for 2 years. So the W-2s and the tax returns for 2 years. Those are everything that you should have available. That proves your income. Next, we're going to confirm your income in hours worked with your pay stubs. We collect 30 days worth of pay stubs. 30 days worth of pay stubs are going to show us how many hours you work, if your hourly rate, if your salary. Make sure there's nothing weird in there like bonus or overtime, things that we can kind of confirm what is on your W-2 and on your 1040. From there, we're going to look for 2 months of bank statements. Now, you can typically have a ton of bank statements. So it's usually easier to have the discussion with your loan officer to decide which bank statement is the most important and which one you're going to actually need, right? When we collect those bank statements, there are a few rules of what you need to follow. 1, you need to make sure that nothing is blacked out. 2, you need to make sure your full name and account number is on there and also have your address. 3, sometimes you can have a cosigner on the bank account. So if it's more than just you, you want to make sure you get permission there. Next, we need every page, right? Sometimes they leave pages blank intentionally. But if your bank statement says 1 through 6, we need pages 1 through 6, not 1 through 5, 1 through 6. So we need everything, even if blank. Next, we're going to need your government ID. The government ID doesn't have to be at the exact address that you're living at, but it cannot be expired, right? These are the basic information. We're going to confirm who you are. We're going to confirm what you make, and we're going to confirm the money that you have to put down. If you have all those put together, obviously keep those in a packet and make sure you have those at the ready, right? Through the process after the pre-approvals, we're always going to ask for updated documents. For example, if your bank statement ends in March and you close in May, clearly we're going to see what happens in April. The main reason they're doing that is they're trying to control to make sure that money's not coming out of your account or money's not going in that's not accounted for. Things that can go into your bank statements, we're going to discuss that at a later time. But other than that, that is the basics of what you need to get a pre-approval.